Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Cash App to bank account. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how to send money from Cash App to bank account. So the first thing to do is to open your Cash App on your mobile. Then from there, tap on the dollar icon, which is the money tab on the home screen. Then tap on Cash Out. From there, enter the amount you want to send, then choose the standard option, which is between 1 to 3 days or instant fee applies. So choose from the standard, then confirm the link account or add one if needed. Then from there, tap confirm to complete the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Cash App to bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.